wishing for. Maybe you should wish it more. Maybe the world is yours. Maybe when it rains it pours. I don't know how to wish anymore. I don't know how to wish anymore. I don't know how to wish anymore. Or do I? Wish to get out my face. My goal and my jeans blow my brain. I be Kurt Cobain. I can't feel my
Alright, go. Huh?
Parking brake was on the whole time.
No way.
Yeah.
It made it better.
I fucked up though.
It made it better. Jesus Christ. Alright guys, as always, I forgot to fucking film. There's a cop over there. He came to pull up on us. Alright, so now we're gonna take it for a test drive. We've seen the pops. We know what it sounds like. So yeah, I'm just gonna give it a quick little drive, quick little review. The only thing I can really compare it to is my car, which is the RSX Type S. So yeah, this is my first review also, guys. First thing I noticed is the clutch is, it's like all new cars I've ever driven. There's like this dead spot on the bottom. It's to help your like leg, I guess. It's just really weird to get used to. Like if you drove my car, it's just stiff the whole way down to the bottom. Shifter feels good. Anything crazy? Woo! This car is on stock suspension, right?
Yeah.
So it's not gonna be like super stiff or anything. Stock clutch?
Yeah.
It just feels good, honestly. The out of the factory stuff, it feels very sporty. And I can only imagine with coilovers and with a stiff clutch how this car would feel. Yeah. So just tell me, like, what do you have done to it, like, so far, like?
Well, it has main thing. The first thing I ever did was exhaust. I did a muffler delete.
Oh, rough start, man. I'm sorry.
I did a muffler delete, and after that, like, the car was, to me, it's like, I felt like it was faster, but it wasn't. It's just like, it was just playing with your mind, I guess. But then I was like, I really wanted to be louder, so I just did like a whole resonator delete. And then after that, I was like, I wasn't happy with how it sounded, so I was like, you know what? And then I went with the Megan Racing downpipe. So pretty much.
So is there cats or no?
Yeah.
There's cats? Okay.
Yeah, it's still
I totally second that, by the way. It makes it feel faster, especially when it's louder.
Yeah, you think that you're going like 100 and you're going like what, 60?
It just feels so much better. Like for me, I just like it more.
And then after that, I did an intake, and after the intake, since I just got like this, like the whole auto tone intake, because I was just wanting to see what it sounded like. It still wasn't good enough for me, so I went out and bought the Cobb. I bought the Cobb intake. It's amazing. I still have it on. It's all crunched up because of like the heat and everything, but it's still pretty good. Right. And I'm kind of like, I've never been huge on like tuning or like understand it really. But how does the Cobb work in this car? Do you basically buy the thing and then? So you buy the access port. Okay. And with the access port, you get 6 different stages off the shelf. So let's say you have I'm sorry. Let's say you have downpipe and like intake. You're basically able to put on stage 1 tune that it comes off the shelf. I did that, but then since like I used to see like this.
I can't. There's too many people.
I used to see like this dude that drove by my house. His car was like popping crazy, and I was like, what? One day I asked him, hey, how do you do that? He's like, oh, you gotta get it tuned. And I was like, I have the cop. He's like, nah, you gotta go to STRATIFIED, whatever.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, okay. So once you go to STRATIFIED, if you have the access port, you can go ahead and select what you really want. They have like different type of tune. The one I have right now is called Extreme Pop Tune.
Right. Okay.
And it gains you like horsepower in a way, but since it's a front-wheel drive car, you can't really like fully send it unless you know how to.
Yeah.
But other than that, that's literally all I have.
No, honestly, this thing is pretty dope. I mean, with the wheels and stuff, it just looks great. And it feels pretty great, honestly. I like to hate on new cars for just not being very driver friendly.
Yeah.
This thing is like pretty direct. I think this car comes stock with electric steering, and it feels, I can feel all the bumps in the road.
Mm-hmm.
I really like this. It feels very sporty. Is what I'm trying to say. How long is this light?
Oh, yeah, it's just whatever. You can do some two-step while you're at it. Oh god.
Have to hold the clutch, right?
Hold the clutch in and then gas pedal all the way down. Just tap. Here, go
What
in.
is that? You hear that?
Go in all the way to 3,000, but like.
You hear that? Hold on, we're having a rev battle.
You're good. I'm dead.
Oh, it's so good, dude.
Shish.
This is the dopest car. Like, if I had to pick any car for my first review, this is like hands down the best one. I'll do second gear. You said 3,000? Try brake boost?
Tap it. Up to you. Go to second though. No, keep going up on the RPMs. Keep going up. More up. More up on the RPM. Okay, right there. Brake. Gas in.
Oh, I heard it. Yeah. That's pretty dope. I heard it loading. Yeah.
You feel how it pulls you back more?
Yeah. Right when I heard it like the most, I was like, all right, we're going.
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope. Do some more pops. Oh, listen to that intake. Hold on. Let's see how third gear is, because I know this thing has a lot of torque.
On third gear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, honestly. Look at the pops. Honestly, it has everything in third almost that it has in second.
Yeah. It's like second, third. Once you get a fourth, it's still there, but it's not like.
And that's the thing with my car. If we were to race, we'd probably be like pretty close, but my car would feel so much slower because you have all the boost way down low in this thing.
Yeah.
In that, you're not making any power until 6,000.
Oh,
so,
true. So you have to like bang it all the way.
yeah, you really have to bang it hard, but like I said, in this thing, it's all immediate and it feels.
Yeah, it's there.
Yeah, it's a way different experience in my car. Well, that was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for, oh wait, coronavirus.
Oh shit.
For letting me drive your car. Hope you guys out there enjoyed the video. Stay safe. Everything's kind of crazy right now. Wash your hands. You know, don't go reviewing people's cars in a parking lot like you don't know them. Yeah, just stay safe out there. And as always, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.